Alright, we're just having a little walk out here. This is a boat ramp. There. Boom, 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 boom. Out goes your boat through where the crocodiles live, just in there. And here. But I'm pretty sure the crocodiles can't get me because I'm going to walk over the tree. And most probably not fall. But if I do fall, it will be spectacular. It's like creeping through the jungle in the great green something or other, Limpopos, whatever the fuck that was. Don't swear. Anyway. It's very nice, very swimming inviting. Just, I guess you could go in for a swim. You just may not ever come out.